Everyone fights, no one quits. All hands are on deck for this critical ARC mission on the magma-rich planet Agni Prime. The Deep Space Vanguard are ready and eager to find out what's happening beneath the surface.
Brimstone 1, this is Pyre. Your mission is to establish a base and power up the ARC. Once it has been fully activated, we'll return to extract you and your team. Good luck, troopers.
Brimstone 1, Command has authorized a weapon drop. We have some M55 rocket launchers, nuclear munitions en route to your position. Check your TAC map for details.
Brimstone 1, mobile headquarters location is established. Stand by for the ARC, ETA 1 minute.
Brimstone 1, this is Vulture 1. Payload is loaded up and en route. Stay clear of the drop zone. Vulture 1 is RTB. Payload is on the deck.
Ore location spotted in your sector. TAC map updated. Get those resources and build up your base. Reinforcements are limited, so make sure you keep everyone alive down there. Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Refinery activated. Resources ready. ready.
Loading fresh mag.
Changing magazine.
Refinery active.
Be advised, a resource cache has been detected in your
Reloading.
AO.
Resources ready.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminated to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased.
Refinery active.
Changing magazines. I'm out of ammo. Need resupply.
Troopers! Command has authorized a weapon drop. We've loaded a bird with a few M55 rocket launchers
Reloading.
with nuclear munitions. The location is marked on the TAC map. Happy hunting!
Reloading. Loading
The
fresh
base is
mag.
under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Huh?
Higher to Brimstone 1, ore levels sufficient. Time to move on. Keep up the pace and get that arc online. All units. Gas refineries have been spotted in your sector. Grab the gas fast and get the arc scanning.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
The base
Reloading.
is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Troopers, let's move here.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Refinery is under attack. Warning. The refinery is under attack.
I'm not gonna quit on you, Trooper. Get under the fight.
Changing magazines!
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Huh?
Troopers! Command has authorized a weapon drop. We've loaded a bird with a few M55 rocket launchers with nuclear munitions. The location is marked on the TAC map. Happy hunting!
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Warning, Arachnid threat has risen in severity.
Yo, we got some nuke bombs over here, guys. You guys want them? No one wants them?
We're hit! Mike is going down! Dropship has crashed nearby, Brimstone 1. Reclaim any assets for the Federation.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning, the Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Enemy Arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce Arachnid threat levels in your AO. Brimstone 1, we have reports of plasma bombardment in the region. Check the TAC map for the coordinates. Be advised, sensors indicate Arachnid threat levels have risen.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
good, bro.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Northern quadrant.
Loading fresh mag. Changing magazines. Changing mags.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Resources ready. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. The plasma bugs have been exterminated. Continue with the mission. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant. Bleeding stopped.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased. Troopers, this sector is under plasma bombardment. Expect casualties. On the bounce.
I'm not gonna quit on you, Trooper. Get up and fight.
Last canister deposited, arc primed, and ready to slam. Now, finish building your defenses.
Reloading.
Resources ready. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Ability act!
Arc is going to activate in 30 seconds. Brimstone 1, a Vanguard unit has dealt with the plasma bombardment. Focus on the mission and return home. Sonar pulse looks good. Arc is green across the board. Expect a lot of bug resistance. Defend yourselves. Arc has been fired. Data from the seismic pulse looks good. Expect a horde inbound to your location. ETA, now. deployment complete. Data collection is reading at 50%. Keep that arc standing, Brimstone 1.
Trauma stabilized.
Arc is at 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1.
rocket launcher.
The Ark has completed its data gathering cycle. All troopers on the ground, prepare to extract.
Vulture 1 here. Viking on the way for extraction. This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce.
Grenade out! Engaging
Vulture 1, all troopers accounted for, alive or dead. Returning to base.